What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. CC, tell the people good morning.
Let me fix my dress. Good morning, guys. And I just want to say Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Everybody big up on yourself. Love you.
Yeah,
Make
guys.
sure you have a blessed New Year. I hope everybody, every YouTuber get them subscriber, get no subscribers.
Get them watch time.
Get them watch time.
Yeah.
I just hope God bless everybody with everything with them want. You see me for this year, so I big up on yourself.
Yeah, people. Yeah. So, but it's basically I don't say today we just wake up early and say, yo, we are doing a morning vlog. You see it? Morning, then. Yeah. So, them walk gone. So, guys, we are walk with one of our friends, him. Father and mother go put pan taxi. As you can see, him not there, so him, yeah, see him there right there. So like, him mother get a driver or something. You see me? So guys, we just are gonna make a vlog go right through on the place for now. Yeah, people. Car sail on the road. Watch him. Watch him. Madman that, you know. You see it, people. Someone want to do for just like, share, comment,
and subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Turn on your post notification bell so whenever you post, you will be notified, guys. Understand me?
Yeah, guys. I make you know what to think about the new intro. Yeah, because Cece says she loves it. How much time spent on it straight through the night and then
like she gone.
What gone? She gone.
Oh.
One circle around here, so. Maro.
Tell her Rumble go suck your mama just go on.
Styly thing.
Just see man and pull on like this. Yo, left your car. Wait, I got suck out Tangy and your mama.
Oh, you mean? Straight.
So, come on it now.
Yeah, my hand tired.
And, yeah, guys, oh my god. So, guys, we are going to walk. We are going to show you around the place, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. The first we do that, so we just say we are going to do one vlog with around the place and make them see what go on, you know what I mean? Yeah.
New Year's no people, you know, don't come with the negativity, you see it? And
yes,
New Year's,
guys, it's New
clean
Year.
heart, you see me?
Yeah.
Born negative vibes for New Year's.
Yes.
Straight. Be a clean liberty and clean heart we are dealing with right now for 2021.
No joke.
So if your heart not clean, you need to go buy a clean heart or buy bleach.
Use coconut water, jelly water, wash off your dirty heart.
And wash off your heart.
Yes.
My heart not dirty. No,
yeah, guys.
Clean. Clean like the water from the stream. People they must have said we not even do vlogmas for them. Boy, we didn't want to do it, but
guys,
could keep up with it because
we did it.
Yeah.
We are back.
Music video.
Yeah, today.
Music video.
No, today is Sunday.
Yeah.
Today is same date.
Yeah, I only for spot him man.
So with me?
We
all love and sitting.
No, but war. You know, hear the tune, them and say, I and I deal with love. I and I no war. I and I beat them down. Which words for them?
All on the top thing and then
What's bull below?
Yeah.
See, the dog tune body, eh?
Guys, and we soon go more update on the house because guys it actually soon start back. I'm so excited, guys, because it did park for one little time and it going to start back on now, guys. So we just go and do a thing. Keep our fingers crossed. Yeah. That's it for them.
Yeah, people, so me I tell you just continue support the movement, you see it. So we can do the do.
You know, guys, and continue watching the ads for us, guys. What more?
Yeah.
Yeah, so So continue watch the ads for us guys. Watch them out, don't skip them.
Yeah. Rosie.
What more?
Morning. Chat back. Rose cleaning her wig, what you mean?
How's Pasha live?
A Johnson this?
How's Pasha live, yeah?
Mm-mm.
How's Pasha live?
And Bojo. Go wrong. Rose live up there. So you feel steam man, look on the ball field. A goat land over there, so. You see?
You know how long somebody play over there, sir?
Look over the ball field, people. Good ball field, you know what you? Good ball field. Yeah, people, this is the back lane. No lighting around us. Around us near bushland. Look here. Look on the lighting to this side and look on the lighting to this side.
The lighting over here so bad though.
Yeah.
Very bad.
It's me people, so don't watch. There, we never do.
And guys,
We never tell the people them need, but Christmas we not get to do nothing for them.
yeah.
January people, you see it, we do.
We never get no food.
One bag of things,
We
you
never do
see.
nothing for Christmas, guys.
That's why you know see we really
Yeah,
have
poor star.
course.
I told them the nice looking when they the young man.
straight, guys.
Yeah.
We start pour more often.
I see my mother when she young.
Coco.
One picture of my mother. Yes, sir. Bless her.
Coco!
Bless all the people that want to
Coco say bless them man every morning. Yeah people, so you know how it go already outside. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, you see me?
Come and talk about some people because I want to talk to them about some real shit. You understand me? Guys, I want to know if you watch the ads them. I want to know watch. Guys, I just want to know watch out the ads them guys. The lighting on is so bad. Same to you. Guys, I want to know watch out the ads them guys. Don't skip none of them. Please me I beg you guys because right now we want to finish the room and we want to start post back more often and them look weird. You understand? Because you know some people gonna say, oh Sissy and Nathan now post like one time. Because you know what, things not straight yet guys, and we are trying to get the things straight. You see me? So yeah, and that me I deal with now guys. So I just want to know watch the ads then. Watch the ads them guys, cause I eat pay. So watch them out. Don't skip none of them. None of them.
Yeah people,
Don't skip none of them guys. Please me I beg you. Guys, and wow, we look a place we done guys. I'm just ask you to please just continue watch out the ads them guys because I tell you it's not really hard about it. Have a little kind of hardness about it guys. So I just want to continue supporting. Go and watch the ads them. See me? Yeah. Do that for Sissy and Nathan.
Yeah people, you see me? I'm wanting to go over to the link in the description. You see me? I'm a sister page guys. She go post makeup, ear doing. One bag of thing over there. So, you see me?
Everybody girl come out and get a nice clean makeup and touch. I mean,
yeah.
yeah. And for all of the people that will never wear makeup yet, so can come out and get some makeup.
Yeah people, just go over there and subscribe to our channel. You see me? She got have an intro over there. Yeah. So no just subscribe and just go and stay tuned, you see me?
Yeah.
Guys, as you can see, early in the morning now. Very early. Now after 7. Just after 7 in the morning. But if you walk go far and this in about
take too long.
No, not take too long. Would I still come meet in the back now? Get taxi.
How we done have Barbados? Shut him up them. Small yard to get
See it there? And what we reach right there. So we could have reached you know back. Of course. We could have reached you know back. See ever there back.
Something here,
Take it out.
Wow.
So
One of
guys,
them buy KFC enough last night.
Enough.
Start pan.
Yeah, no one find of them there, you know. Buy KFC hard.
Start power. Yeah man, the soon start pan. No worry no still. When you still see merch then drop. You see 20k. Yeah. Yeah man, in the afternoon like about 11 o'clock so. Yeah. So people know soon when we reach 20k we're gonna drop the merch. Drop 2 merch phone. You see me?
So the people got time to get. So the merch can drop.
20k guys, you see me?
20k and then the merch.
Thank you for 18k. Yeah. Hey.
18.1.
The people them bring us far, fast, you know man.
What?
It could have the far and if we don't work harder, you know,
Yeah,
but
but just the two, we don't have the time.
another time we have the time but we don't have we know where we don't have everything so people just go and
Support,
go and share our channel because
please don't skip the ad them guys. Please.
yeah.
Guys.
You
Just
see
continue
I
watch
beg
them,
you know
guys,
watch
because
at them.
And them pay you guys and
Yeah.
we want to finish the local room guys. We know we want to see the local room so we want to finish it guys, so we just continue watch the ads them for you. Don't skip them, please.
Yeah.
Even if them boring, just plug the phone, find something to do, then they come back. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Don't skip them, guys.
Oh God man. Head. Yeah people, so just remember to like the video. You see me?
Comment,
Share,
share and subscribe. Turn on, hit the bell.
Tell me what you think about the new
Intro.
Put the light up on the next side and see if it's showing better. Show better?
It look like it's show better there?
Yeah, on the next. Yeah, show better on the next side. On that side. Show better.
So, what was the top way? Not your time.
No. Guys, what enjoy them new year.
Yeah guys, we enjoy them new year.
Yeah.
We not start enjoy food yet,
Yes.
but soon.
So we have light.
That is true.
So we start.
That's true.
Big time.
So yeah guys, we soon start drop, but we prank them and we just want one person to comment 5 times because everybody want a shout out. So I just want one person to comment 5 times and I don't know when we get one chance to get one shout out guys. So everybody will just comment 5 times and you will have a chance to get a shout out. See me guys. Remember you know it's not no joke.
2 person.
Yeah.
What you like? 2 person guys are gonna get that shout out there. So just comment 2 first person.
Yeah.
Comment 5 times.
5 times. 5 times.
Yeah.
And you will
Not
win,
1,
get a
2,
chance.
3, not 4.
5. Yeah guys. And you will get a chance to win a shout out guys, because this is everybody wants a shout out. And we can't just give everybody shout out. You see me? Because you know some people are going and big and name with the guys. So we'll just comment 5 times.
What you gotta do? Switch it up. So it better. No, come on, say let's try that.
I have to move to the car. We amount of bun in the pants, you went top. We went top. I know she have a whole pants.
I got real underpants. You peek over there, so.
Lion is a elder, a old, and it move young, slow.
Yeah.
You know, gonna
Yeah, people.
yeah. That's what him for
Yeah,
tell you.
people, you can't make age wall on the dog, you see me?
Yes, guys.
Don't make age wall on the dog. Right now, I feel like I'm going to check over this if it link up fire and thing. I see what I'm going on. Yeah, people, so me go walk that way. Yeah. Hey, Kitty! Say hi to the vlog. Kitty out there, so lock down the city and Kitty and drop out and spit it. I don't see right, B. No, me no mean that. Yeah, people. Yes, guys, this is OJ house. Oswald!
Pull it up.
Oswald! Why bring it out? Where are David? Where are they? Where are David? Come in, huh? Eh? Come on, look now. Taliban, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo. Lazy man in a people. People they ask your face, brother.
My face.
Yeah, people. See bad brother as he come out and knows the yo. Go over to his channel already. Link in the description. You see me? The third link, the second link, if you say. So just go over there. Eh? You vlog me a vlog man for no my yard. So just go over him channel people seen there. I wait me go wake him out of bed. He can hear him up in the morning.
Yeah, people.
You see me?
Like, share, comment and subscribe.
Yeah. So you know say you have to do that. Go over him channel and support him. Swizzle. I link in a little motion. Yeah, I go back in the bed and what Prince Day I go leak. They are going to bust a leak around the corner.
Watch out one there. Burn down the bush.
Burn down the bush, them, yeah. Yeah, guys. And, guys, there is the chopper. See the chopper there? We are going the chopper, guys. See the chopper here? See the chopper here? Them man here had chopper near. Chop, chop. Yeah. Ask them whatever deal with. Daniel, just wake. Chop, chop. Say where you deal with. I wonder who that. No. Which boy that? I made that. Yeah, people. Me show Daniel, man. Yeah. Yeah, Fireball. Guys, that is the artist. We are going to video. Is it? Daniel. Guys, this is one of our loyal supporter. True, you see how she's small? And she get one phone, one tablet, or one TV. And she gonna watch. Yeah. So ever since I now change.
From our first page.
So Kevin, oh God, you can reach, I can catch your uncle in there. See there come from the road.
Ayo.
The original grapey.
So yeah guys, the original grapey. Nice clean uncle. You know what I mean? Yeah.
All sitting in the morning that boy.
What feelings like fuck up belly out of that.
You belly?
There's some guy walk.
Come.
You're out still, man. What feelings?
So yeah guys, when time I want a nice grape, I just go link him. Yeah. See here guys.
Yeah.
Original grapey
Original.
from 3 Mile
Yeah.
to 3 Mile halfway tree downtown,
All of them
Scotia
places.
Bank, NCB,
Everywhere.
large, straight up.
Yeah.
Shower man. Big up yourself.
Alright, we uncle.
Donkey.
Yeah guys, so when you hear one time I want a nice grape, I just go link him up and grape very nice. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Not grape alone.
Not grape only, yeah. Apple, everything, all fruits. You want a nice clean fruit, I'm just go up and go link him.
Yeah.
When you hear which part him located, yeah guys.
3
You
miles
just
to Scotia Bank.
Yeah.
Halfway tree downtown.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Constant spring them under the field.
Yeah. Man they walk go everywhere. He said lightning just bad. Me have to turn. So yeah guys, reaching at the square.
Uncle
Oh
Patrick.
god. Uncle Patrick.
Hi baby.
Dollar. Stop it, man.
So this is the square guys. Yeah guys. The rain not come. So reach the end of the vlog guys. Keep on supporting. Watch out the vlog guys. Watch the ads them. Don't skip none of them. Please me I beg you guys. My member one. So guys, don't skip the ads them. Don't skip the ads them. Don't skip the ads them. Please me I beg you guys. Please me I beg you. So yeah guys, we reach the end of the vlog. I just want to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Put it for all so whenever we post our next video, you know you're gonna be notified. See me and tell the people that we're out.
Yeah,
because
guys.
you don't know say, yeah, outside.
Oh, no, guys, they know say rain a come and things, so we have to end the vlog. So until then, peace.